Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz Mahmood with another lecture of English for business studies students and general students for learning English. Today we will learn about adjective. Adjective is a word that describes the noun. Tell us about the quality of a noun. There are two places where we can use the adjective. Before a noun, it was a dark night. Night. This word dark is describing the night, what kind of night it is. So the word that describes the noun is an adjective. This is a good coffee. This word good is describing the quality of a coffee. Coffee is a noun and this good is describing the noun. So this good is an adjective. We also use adjective after linking verb. The coffee tastes good. This as a linking verb. So this is a coffee noun and this is a describing verb or an adjective. His car is new. This new is describing the car. Car is a noun and this describing word is adjective. So the adjective got two places where we can place the adjective before a noun and after a linking verb. Linking verbs are is, are, am, be, was, were. These are the linking verbs which links the noun and its description. Linking verbs are those which links the noun and its description. These words or verbs are placed between adjective and noun. So that's why they are called linking verb because it links the description and the noun. Adjectives. We can use two adjectives together also. He is wearing a dirty old coat. We can also say old coat, but to explain further, we need another adjective, dirty. Not only old, but the coat was also dirty. We can use adjective in two positions, before a noun or after a linking verb, but there are some adjectives which are used only before a noun. There are two positions, but there are some adjectives which are exclusively used before a noun. We cannot place them after a linking verb. Like, be careful crossing the main road. The only problem is I have no money. The only. These are the adjectives that these are placed before a noun. Similarly, these words chief, elder, elders, inner, outer, outdoor, principal. Principal means when it is taken in the meaning of main, not the chief, upper, etc. These are the words which, when are used in a sentence, we will place them before a noun. Not, we cannot place them after a linking verb. Now, here are some adjectives which can only go after a linking verb. Now, these are the words which are only placed after a linking verb. We cannot place these adjectives before a noun. Like, at last the baby is asleep. Emma's two brothers are very alike. I'm really pleased to see you. See, this is a linking verb. This is a linking verb. And adjectives are placed after them. This is a linking verb. Adjective is placed after it. Please. He looked. Linking verb. Ill is placed after it. I looked ill, I thought. Similarly, the words afraid, alone, ashamed, awake, alive, content. Content means happy when it comes in the meaning of happy. Fine when it comes in the meaning of good health. Glad, unwell, well. These adjectives are always placed after linking verb. Means is, are, am, was, were. After these words, we cannot use them before a noun. So these are two kinds of adjectives. One is placed before a noun and one is placed after a linking verb, and we use them as I have given examples in this page, in this presentation, and the previous one. Now, what should be the order of adjectives? There is definitely an order. We may use more than one adjective to describe a single noun. So there must be some order which we should follow to use adjectives more than one adjective. We sometimes use two nouns together like glass door, both are noun, glass and door, computer program. Now, if we use adjective here, it will come before these nouns. A heavy glass door, glass heavy door. We cannot say a glass heavy door. A useful computer program, computer useful program. We cannot say this. We will use the adjective before these two nouns because the place of adjective is before the noun because it is used to describe the noun, to tell us about the noun, to give us information about the noun. So we place the adjective before the noun to describe and explain. Now the order of adjectives. See the order. First of all, we express the opinion. The words which expresses the opinion, we will use these kind of words before a noun which express opinion, how good someone is, wonderful, nice, great, awful, terrible, how good or how big, they comes first. Next come in order size, how big someone is. Something is large, small, long, short, tall, and other qualities, quite, famous, important, soft, wet, difficult, fast, hungry, warm. Age, how old, new or old. Color, red, blue, green, black. Origin, where from, American or Pakistani. Material, which kind of material, uh, stone, plastic, steel, paper. Type, what kind of, an electric kettle. Political matters, a bread. Purpose, for what that thing is. Now I will give you some example. A wonderful, tall, famous Pakistan. This is the order of adjectives which we may use. A large, sharp, new bread knife. Terrible and difficult political matters. These, this is the order of adjectives. In this order, we will use the adjectives to explain the noun. Like, these are the example, small, green, insect. First, size, then color. A wonderful new face cream. Wonderful opinion, age, new, and then the purpose, face cream. Japanese industrial design. Origin and the type, industrial. A long bring train, long boring train. Long boring train means size, quality, and type. Train. Boring, quality, type, train. Some nice, easy quiz questions. Some nice. Nice, easy. This is the opinion. Quality, easy. Nice is the opinion. Quality is the easy, and the purpose is questions. A beautiful wooden picture. Beautiful opinion. Wooden material. Picture, purpose. Awful opinion. Plastic material. Souvenir, purpose. This is the order of adjectives which we should follow while using uh, adjectives for something and while we are using more than one adjective. Thank you very much for watching. Please consult correct use of English, the playlist given in my YouTube channel for more on the same topic. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.